Updating your payment information on Capital One is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Information. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Payment Information section in the menu. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Update Payment Method. Click on the option to update your payment method. You may see options to add a new bank account, credit card, or other payment methods. Step 4. Enter new payment details. Input the required information for your new payment method. Make sure to double check for accuracy, including account numbers and expiration dates. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your payment information is updated. Make sure to regularly check your payment information to avoid any disruptions in service. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for assistance.